gonna be tweaked. But yeah. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Tire pop. For real? Yeah, what was that? What's up, YouTube? It's Drake RT coming in with another video. Today, this a nice little, this gonna be a 5 video. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This is gonna be a 5 video. This is gonna be way different from all my other videos. Those videos that's up right now, I don't fuck with none of them. I ain't gonna hold y'all. But we here to move forward, you feel me? So what I got here, what I got here, I'm over here stuttering, my bad, y'all. What I got here for y'all today, we got a GoPro Hero 9, you know what I'm saying? I might include this in my, well, I don't know, I don't even know my title yet, but I got a GoPro Hero 9. I got the bundle actually. Oh my God! Wow! But yeah, it come with an extra battery, the SD card, and this is actually a cloth. It don't come with that though. That's actually an extra bundle I bought before I got the Hero. But yeah, this right here can go on your car and all that, so you can stick the GoPro on your car. You feel me? You come with like a head strap, so you can put the GoPro on your head, a chest strap, so you can put a GoPro on your chest. You feel me? We about to go crazy today. I'm about to give y'all some pulls, some revs, of course.
Stop it. Get some help.
Of course, a cold start. You feel me? Y'all about to get all that. We about to go crazy today. I'm about to really give y'all like, y'all about to really see what Bill and talking about today. Today about to be, hopefully today, you know what I'm saying? Run real smooth, you feel me? We about to go wild today. I'm gonna get back with y'all though when I set up this GoPro. I know I gotta charge it and everything, and I'm gonna for y'all it's gonna be like a second. For me it's gonna probably be like 5-10 minutes.
2 hours later.
I told y'all I'm gonna give y'all a cold start, so here go y'all cold start, you feel me? I'm gonna switch it over to the GoPro though once I do that. But yeah, this the little setup, you feel me? We gonna see how this thing sound. What's up, YouTube? It's Drake RT coming in with another video, man. Well, the same video, my bad. We're gonna run that back. What's up? It's Drake RT coming in with the same video. It's just a different day, really 3 days after. But yeah, anyways, today, man, right now I'm getting a car wash. Gotta freshen up a little bit. And Yeah, I gotta clean him up, man. This man, it was bird back here and everything, bro. This man was dirty. But yeah, I'm about to find this lot. I'm about to go to this lot real quick, and I'm gonna slide a little bit, man. Record myself sliding and all that, man. This will be the first time I did it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. But oh, this nigga stuck. I'm about to hit it. Oh, this nigga stuck on the track. Bro, I almost hit that nigga, bro. He was pressing brakes on the thing, bro. What? Buddy goofy, bro. I almost boomped his ass. No cap. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit, man. All right, what's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with it. Finally got to my spot, you know. And hello, I'm using my gimbal again. I'm trying to get used to it. But yeah, here go him. Cleaned up a little bit. You feel me? Hold up. If he fixes himself, give me a sec. There we go. Yeah, hold up. There we go. Well, yeah, this him. Got the GoPro set up, man. Ready to go. Yeah. This really about to be my first time really sliding for real, especially on camera. So, hey, y'all about to see it for the first time too. I'm gonna give y'all a couple of reels before I get started though. And yeah, hopefully don't nobody come out tripping or nothing. You feel me? Talking about some noise though. Light. I ain't want to go too crazy. And I think somebody about to come out here. Just because they heard that. But I'm going to see if I can find a spot real quick to set y'all up here. You done missed it, big dog. You missed it. You done missed it, man. I got you. Yeah. Man, went too crazy. Still smoking. Hold up, let me fix it. It's gonna be tweaking. But yeah. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh yeah. I ain't gonna cap them. My feelings a little hurt. But yeah, we definitely did some damage. Oh my God. The damage, bruh. Went too crazy. First time sliding for real. Oh yeah. Hold up. But yeah, too crazy, man. Too crazy. But yeah, man. My tires though, and I don't even know how much it is to replace them guys. Yep. Got you. All right. Yeah, it went too crazy, man. Let me shout yourself out real quick for me.
Vino 4 a.m. video shoot. Demon loaded the car.
Okay.
Raziel, Leon.
Yes, sir.
We filming from here, Dominican Republic and Sweden.
Yes, sir. And they go crazy. I heard a little song. They go crazy. Y'all gotta check them out.
So, you know how it go right there.
Nope, go ahead. Y'all wanna do a little practice run this song first? All right, bet. Yep, what was that?
Is the tire blown?
The tire pop.
No.
Damn. Damn. Went too crazy, man. Damn, tire done blew on me. Too crazy, man.
Yeah, just that one.
Shit.
No.
Yeah. Damn. Damn.
Damn, yo.
No cap.
You got a spare?